geometrical shapes. In last year we have seen the geometrical shape like this: circle, triangle, square, rectangle. Now observe these four shapes. Out of some shapes that are the two-dimensional figure and someone has three-dimensional object. Out of these, which are the two-dimensional figure? Say. We have to given four shapes: circle, triangle, square, and rectangle. These are the two-dimensional object. Means this rectangle or square. For example, we have to given one rectangle like this. This one is a two-dimensional figure. So in this figure, the opposite sides are congruent. Name I suppose here A, B, C, D. It means the opposite side of AB is BC and opposite side of AD is BC. In this figure, these opposite sides are congruent and each angle is 90 degree. Then such figure is called as this figure is called as two-dimensional. The name of this figure is rectangle. In rectangle, opposite sides are congruent and each angle is a right angle. Then such figure is called as a rectangle. Now observe this box. Observe this box. Only observe the front plane. This is called as a plane or face. Now observe this face. This face is like this. Means the opposite sides are congruent and each angle is 90 degree. Then this face is called as a rectangular face. Now this figure is a three-dimensional figure. Three-dimensional means the set which have length, breadth and height. That shape is called as a three-dimensional shape. Now here the longest side is called as the length and remaining two sides. This one is the longest side, so this one is a length. Remaining two sides, this one and another one is this. Out of these two sides, one is considered as breadth and another one is a height. Now see here. Now observe this rectangular box and figure on our board is same. Name as this one is a top plane. Name as A, B, C, D, and this bottom plane is name as P, Q, R, S. Now this one is the three-dimensional object. The longest side, for example, this one is the longest side. It is represented by L. Remaining two sides, this and this. Out of these two sides, one is considered as breadth and last one is the height. Now this figure or this box have how much corners? 8 corners. Consider the topper face. is a B, C, D. Then it has four corners. This topper face is four corners. That corners are Narvade. This face have four corners. Name them. That corners are A, B, C, D. And another one is a bottom face. So its vertices, this corner point is called as the vertices. Means this figure have total 8 vertices. Means 8 corner points. That 8 corner points are that 8 corner points. Vertices of this P, Q, R, S and remaining 4 A, B, C, D. Means sit down. A, B, C, D, P, Q, R, S. These are the vertices of this object. These are the elements of this object. Now, this figure have how much faces? The given figure have how much faces? It has a 6 faces. Tell me the 6 faces. First one is a
A, B, C, D.
First face is a B, C, D.
Second face is a P, Q, R, S.
Second one is a P, Q, R, S. This one is a topper face and this one is a bottom face. Now left hand face is a A, D, S, P. Right hand face is a
B, Q, R, C.
Q, R, C, B. Now the back side face is
A, P, Q, B.
A, B, Q, P. And last face is a
D, R, C.
D, S, R, C. Now observe all the faces. The opposite faces are congruent. The opposite face of this A, D, S, P is a B, C, R, Q. These two faces are congruent. Means in this block, this face, your left hand side. So left hand side face and right hand face, both the faces are congruent. Front face and back face is also congruent. Proper face and bottom face is also congruent. Now this figure or this box have how much edges? Edges means, for example, we have to given two planes or faces. For example, this one is the first face and another one is this face. These two faces connect with one corner line. For example, this room is a example of cuboid. This room is a example of cuboid, or another figure is like this. Now this figure, this room is an example of cuboid. Then this room have how much vertices? 8 vertices. First vertex is like this. Second is, third is, fourth is. In similar way, bottom side is also 4 vertices. Means there are total 8 vertices, 6 faces. 4 faces are outer side. Fifth one is the topper side. And last one is the bottom. Total faces are 6 faces. And this cube or cuboid have how much edges? Edges means connect the any two faces with corner line. So this figure have how much edges? 12 edges. In figure, tell me the name of that 12 edges.
AB.
First one is a AB. This one is the first edge. Another one is a
BC.
DC. Yes, BC.
PS.
P. Yes, yes.
SR.
Yes, R.
RQ.
RQ. Now here there are 12 edges. First one is a AB. Second one is a BC. Third one is a CQ. And last one is a DA. So the topper plane have 4 edges. In similar way, lower lower plane is also 4 edges, PQ, QR, RS and ST, and 4 edges are vertically. This one is the first edge, second, third and fourth. Means topper plane have 4 edges, bottom plane have 4 planes and 4 edges are vertically. Means there are total edges. In our competitive exam we have to ask question, or in PAT exam is also we have to ask one question. This cuboid have how much vertices, edges and faces? So tell me, this figure have how much vertices, faces and edges? Who can say? Somebody?
8 vertices, 6
This cuboid have 8 vertices, 6 faces,
and
12 edges. Now we have to find out the total surface area of this box. We know this box is an example of cuboid, and we know cuboid is a 3-dimensional shape. Means this figure have length, breadth and height. Now first find the area. Area means what? Area means this object or this shape occupied the space in surrounding or environment. This figure occupied the space in environment. That space is called as the area of that object. Now we have to given one face, only one face. We know this face is a rectangular face, rectangular shape. In a rectangle, we know this one is a length and this one is a breadth. So to finding the area of this face, we can use the formula area of rectangle. Area of rectangle. Length into breadth. Now first find the area of this bottom plane or face. This bottom face is a PQRS. In this face we have to give a length and breadth. So finding the area of this bottom plane, to use the formula length into breadth. Area of this bottom side. So the bottom side area and upper side area is same. Means length into breadth plus length into breadth. Area of bottom side and area of topper plane. Now find the area of this left hand side. Area of this left hand side using this breadth and height. So we get the multiplication of breadth into height. In similar way, the area of right hand side is breadth into height plus breadth into height plus area of front side. Here we have to give one length and height, means height into length plus back side is also use the multiplication of height into length. Means this L into B. L represent length of the rectangle, breadth represent the breadth or width of this rectangle, and H represent the depth or height of this rectangle. Now here this one is a double, this one is also double, this one is also double, means the total surface area of cuboid, its formula is 2 in bracket length into breadth plus breadth into height plus height into length. Here L means length B means breadth, H means height. In examination, we have to ask one question like this. For example, write down question. Find the total surface area. Sit down. Find the total surface area of cuboid having length is 12 centimeter, breadth is 10 centimeter and height is 5 centimeter. So what is meant by total surface area? Total surface area means the sum of the areas of all faces. We have to find out the area of this figure. For example, this figure have length 12 centimeter, breadth is given 10 centimeter and height is given 5 centimeter. So use this formula and calculate the total surface area of the given figure. In this figure we have to given which things are given? We have to given length, that is denoted by L. Its length is 12 centimeter. We have to given again breadth. Its length is 12 centimeter is the length. Breadth is given 10 centimeter and height is given 5 centimeter. Now we have to find out the total surface area. Total surface area of cuboid. So its formula is, tell me its formula. 2 in bracket length into breadth plus breadth into height plus height into length. Yes. Now put the value of length, breadth and height in place of L, B and H. In place of L, if this 2 one is like this, 2 in bracket. Value of L is given, that is 12 into breadth is given 10 plus again breadth is given 10, length height is given 5 plus height is 5 and length is 12. Now take the multiplication of bracket term. 12 into 10 120 plus 10 into 50 50 plus 12 into 5 60. Now these two as it is. Here sign is a multiplication. Now take the addition of 120, 50 and 60. 230. Now take the multiplication of 2 and 130 is 460. This sum is 230. Now take the multiplication of 2 and 230. 460 and the unit of area is cm or square centimeter, because we have to given the length, breadth and height in centimeter, so its unit is a square centimeter. For example, we have to given here length is 12 meter, breadth is 10 meter, 5 meter, then its unit is a square meter. Yes. So write down homework. One question. Similar way. Second question for homework. If cuboid have length 2.5 meter, comma, breadth 2 meter and height 2.4 meter, then find the total surface area of cuboid. So solve this example.